Hi, my name is Walter, and I'll be taking you through the all-over annotation tool on the CommBox Classic V3X. To get to the all-over annotation tool, you would need to navigate to your Tools menu via the side arrows on the left or the right side. Once you do so, you would need to tap on the pencil icon to activate this tool. Once you hit the pencil tool, your whiteboarding options will come up. You can pick the color of your stylus via the stylus option. You can pick your color and also the thickness of the thick and the thin end. We're ready to annotate. Now, sending and sharing and saving. You can share it instantly via our QR code via the 3 dots on the left-hand side. You can also share via the floppy disk icon. You can save files locally or the USB flash drive placed onto the front of the screen. To erase your annotations, you can use your CommBox eraser or the palm or back of your hand. There's also a rubbish bin icon where you can clear all of your annotations. To move your content, you would hit the cursor button and move your content up or down. Hit your cursor button again, and you're ready to annotate. Thank you so much.